Is Sixt ripping you off? Let's get straight to the truth about their car rentals. Sixt is a major player in the rental game, with over a century of experience and a shiny fleet of cars. But if you scroll through reviews, you'll see some serious complaints mixed in with the praise. Here's what pops up most often. First, those dreaded post-rental damage claims. Some travelers get hit with bills for tiny scratches or dents, sometimes more than $1,000, days after dropping off a car that looked fine at checkout. The kicker? Sixt uses automated AI scans, and a lot of folks say these systems flag old damage or even just reflections. Then, there's the insurance upsell. At the counter, staff can be pushy, telling you that your credit card or third-party coverage isn't good enough. Suddenly, your bill starts creeping up. Let's not forget about surprise fees. There are stories about charges for foreign permits, admin fees, and tolls, even if you used your own transponder. And if you try to dispute anything, get ready for long waits and unhelpful answers. So, what do the ratings say? Sixt scored just 2 out of 5 stars for customer service in a recent Which review isn't BBB accredited, and their Trustpilot rating is around 1.3 out of 5. That's a lot of unhappy customers. Here's how to protect yourself if you decide to go with Sixt. Take tons of photos and videos of your car, inside and out, both when you pick it up and when you return it. Ask for a staff member to do a physical inspection with you and get a signed receipt showing the car was returned in good shape. Always read the fine print, especially about damage deductibles. And if you're booking in Europe, consider using a reputable travel agent who can back you up if things go sideways. Bottom line. Sixt is legit, but the risk of headaches is real. Be cautious, document everything, and you'll be way less likely to get